What's up, everybody? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and today we're going to talk about input-output circuit boards on your Inspiron 7610. I don't know about you, but my kid has jammed every single thing that he can think of in his USB ports. So this isn't my first time doing this, but whatever your reason, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. And if this tutorial was any help to you, a like and subscribe is always much appreciated.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Alright, tools. I used a Phillips number 1 for this repair. If you don't have one and you need one, I'll leave a link for this as well as any Dell replacement parts down below. First, unscrew and gently pry apart the bottom base cover. Real quick, I just want to mention that I referenced the Dell owner's manual when I perform these repairs. You might have found a way that works better and faster for you. So if you did, tell us how you did it below. Then, to avoid electrical damage, disconnect your battery. Now unscrew and disconnect the input-output circuit board. Use a plastic scribe or your fingertips to unclip them where necessary. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... The reinstallation is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.